The Spanish government refuses to release periodic information on regional fiscal balances. Only in 2008, after much pressure, they released some information. It turned out that the accumulated fiscal deficit for Catalonia since 1986 is over 200 billion euro. No wonder these data are such a well-kept secret.
This means that during 26 years, Catalonia has contributed 8% of its annual GDP towards the Spanish Solidarity Fund. This is a rate that has never been applied before or since by any other European nation-state.
During 19th and 20th centuries, Catalonia was Spain's industrial powerhouse, but 26 years of fiscal drainage have seen Catalonia fall from first to fourth place in the ranking of autonomous communities by GDP per capita.
The current fiscal arrangements makes it impossible for Catalans to legislate for and collect taxes in Catalonia as they see fit. No society can successfully adapt to the new challenges of the modern world without its own treasury.
It doesn't matter whether you vote for the right or for the left, prefer independence or federalism, if you were born in Catalonia or you have recently arrived, or what language you speak. Every year you pay 2,251 more euros than you should.
Can you imagine what Catalonia could do if it did not have this fiscal drainage? 1 month without it, and all children in Catalonia would have free school meals for 1 year.
We need, and we're calling for, a new model that puts a strong weight on efficiency and accountability, and one whose results may not be perceived as abusive by the Catalan people.
We are not asking for fiscal privileges. We want to play an active role in the world and European economies. We just want to have our own voice to become the engine of Southern Europe.
To stop the fiscal drainage is not an act of selfishness. It's a lifeblood necessity in the context of the financial crisis to achieve the economic recovery of Catalonia.
The current fiscal arrangements in Spain result in a fiscal pressure over Catalonia that is excessive. This is not how Catalonia can be the economic powerhouse that Southern Europe needs, especially under current circumstances.